I have been to many countries as a storyteller, but my most memorable events that I've taken part in have been the two that I've been in South Africa. First, it was at the Johannesburg International Storytelling Festival, and then end of last year, it was the Nozincwadi Book and Storytelling Festival. Now that was the most memorable moment because I met the most enthusiastic storytellers and the most enthusiastic audiences and youth who are willing to embrace knowledge from, in its traditional form and so on. So I think my visit to South Africa, the last one, was the most memorable. It became like a road show where we would travel from Durban to all other parts of South Africa, sharing traditional stories, doing workshops with youths, with schools, with libraries. Oh, it was the most exciting event I've ever been at. And besides that, the host nation looked after me very well, in terms of hotels, transportation, and at the same time as well, the Arts Council of Wales chipped in to help on that as well. So I feel the Arts Council of Wales recognizes the importance of storytelling, the link that it cuts across cultures, whether you are going to be doing it in Africa, but at the end of it all, the experiences that I gain from working with artists from there, I'll bring it here and share it with artists around Wales. And so at the end of it all, the people of Wales also benefit from it. So it's a wonderful art form. Africanus.